Hi, my name is Attorney Justin Camper. I am a criminal defense attorney located in Northern Indiana, and we have a law firm that focuses solely on criminal defense. Our goal is to help those who have been accused of a crime avoid jail and protect their freedom. And so today, I want to talk to you about the purpose of a deposition and how it can help you get your case dismissed. So let's talk about it. A deposition is a recorded statement by a potential witness in a case, and it's a recorded statement out of court. So basically, it'll be a prosecutor there, it'll be your defense attorney there, and it'll be the witness and a court reporter, and they recording the statement, and the defense attorney or the prosecutor, they both get to ask questions of this potential witness and get their side of the story, just whatever you want to get out of them before trial. And this is a huge tool that's underrated in Indiana that is often used to help get cases dismissed for criminal defense attorneys. A deposition is set up, and basically what it does is it puts the potential witness on notice, some of the questions that they're going to be asked, and they cannot, change their side of the story, right? Because it gives the defense attorney a lot to cross-examine on at trial, because we know, hey, you can't try to change the story. So it gives us the opportunity to get some information, how potential witnesses are going to be on the stand. It gives us an opportunity to get it on record so that they can't change it, so we can use it for cross-examination. And sometimes it's even good because if a witness doesn't show up to the deposition, it's a chance that they may not show up at trial, right? That's a little bit more of a riskier play. However, it's good to know these things, and it helps your attorney be more prepared at trial versus meeting a witness for the first time and trying to try the case without having any familiarity with that witness. So it's really important that you work with your attorney and seeing if a deposition is a good fit for your case. Now, there are costs associated with depositions. There's a cost that doesn't even go to your attorney. It acts to the court reporter. They charge an hourly rate, and you got to pay that fee. If you don't pay the fee, then the record is not certified. And if it's not certified, it's not technically evidence that you can submit in court. So you want to make sure that you are paying your fee, and you have standard fees, and you're ready to go forward with that. Another thing to keep in mind with a deposition is that it can go bad. I've had cases where we deposed a witness, and the witness ended up being a star witness that surprised even the prosecutor. And they were able to answer questions well. They did great under pressure, and the plea got worse after the deposition. So you got to keep that in mind, that maybe you might not want to do a deposition because you don't want the witness to be on notice of the questions and to feel like they are and end up being a star witness, right? So you want to keep that in mind when you're make a decision on whether you want to do a deposition or not. Another way of, one thing you want to keep in mind when it comes to a deposition is the prosecutor is going to be paying close attention to your strategy. Sometimes the prosecutor that has no idea what your strategy is or how you're going to attack their case. But if you do a deposition and your line of questioning is in one way, they automatically know your strategy. They know what you're going to do. And it gives the prosecutor time to prepare for what you're going to do. And it can backfire, right? So you really have to pay close attention to how you want to do a deposition. And if you want to do a deposition, there are different purposes for it. I've seen it be successful for some of my clients, and for some of my clients that not. But I would definitely recommend that you have that conversation with your attorney. Again, my name is Attorney Justin Camper. I am a criminal defense attorney located right here in Northern Indiana. There are several attorneys working in our law firm, and our goal is to help you avoid jail and protect and defend freedom if you have been accused of a crime. So if that's you, give me a call, reach out, and I hope that you will stay legal.